Hey guys, today I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Axiom Pro. So first, what you need to do is make sure you already have an Axiom Pro account along with your Phantom Wallet. You can use Phantom either on your mobile device or as a browser extension on your computer. Once you're set, open your Phantom Wallet and click on your account, which you'll see labeled as A1 in the top left corner. Tap the icon with A1, then scroll down to the bottom where you'll find Settings. From there, choose account 1, or if you have more than one, select whichever account you'd like to link with Axiom Pro. Inside the account options, click on Show Private Key. At this point, Phantom will ask you to enter your password to unlock and export your private key. Type in your password, press continue, and then copy the private key provided. Remember, this key must stay private. Never share it with anyone and keep it stored safely. Once copied, go over to Axiom Pro and click the profile picture icon at the top right. Select Accounts and Security, then go to Wallets under Manage Wallets. Click Add New Wallet, and in the section provided, paste the private key you copied from Phantom. After that, press Add Wallet. Just like that, your Phantom Wallet will now be connected to Axiom Pro. You can then choose your active wallet directly from there. Thanks for watching.